Hey Waldwick, Ruts here, and today is day 2 of our nameplate design challenge. So what I have for you here in the background is the document. At this point, you should have finished your research, looking at different text, styles, and then 5 different clip art images. Make sure there's 5. The next point we are at generating alternate solutions. Now, when you're picking alternate solutions, you need to pick viable options. Let's choose the scenario we're going out to lunch, okay? And you and 2 other friends, you come up with ideas. First friend says burgers or pizza. First friend says pizza. Then you say sardines, and the third person says plankton. You're going to get pizza. It's no-brainer. It's the only option that makes sense to you. So, like this, you do not put 1 good option and 2 garbage options. You pick 3 viable but unique options, like pizza versus burgers versus tacos, or sushi versus pizza versus tacos. They're all good in their own ways, and in that, they're viable options, pickable options. You don't put things out there that you're not going to possibly use. Once you have finished that portion where you, here, let's see, I'll move myself over. Oh, there we go. Once you have hand-drawn 3 pictures with enough detail to explain what it is, now you go to choosing the solution. Basically, at this point, you have to look at your different options and say, which of these do I want to invest part of my life into? So you will be spending some time either coming up with measurements, you'll be processing the materials, and in the end, that's what you keep. So you have to decide what is important about this model that'll make me want to choose it. You could consider your abilities. So if one looks really intricate, we have those limitations on what we can do. If it's something that you don't think you can get done within the next 9 days, then it's something that you need to say goodbye to. And it's because it is not a viable option. So I need a full paragraph about why you chose one of those sketches that you did over the others. You could even include things just that you think that the imagery is the most enjoyable. At that point, you are ready for CAD. So once again, everyone, what I want you to do today, you are going to generate 3 viable, different ideas for a nameplate. I want you to have fun with it. They don't have to be completed ideas, but they have to be understandable. You have to be able to look at the image and make sense of it. From that point, you need to decide on which one of these you're going to attempt to, well, you're going to model in CAD and then make in the wood shop. Happy hunting, and I will see you tomorrow.